All right, so our boat lift got tipped up on end in a 60-mile-an-hour wind the other night, and it's stuck up in this vertical position. So Sean here and I, say hi, Sean.
Hi, Sean.
We're gonna try to tip it back down using a gin pole. So what we did is we have this 3-inch pipe that's in the middle there, goes up, and it is tied to with these straps back to the front corners to make a tripod. And then we got a ground anchor in the ground, and we're going to try to get that chain hoist to tighten against the gin pole and then slowly release the tension on the chain hoist to tip it back down. So we just have a strap on the front just to get the weight coming down on the front, because right now it's down on the back. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so we got it a little past neutrally balanced outside, so it's hanging on our ground anchor now. We're gonna have to re-rig it, so it's balanced pretty easily now, but we'll have to re-rig the chain hoist because we're running out of chain. So we're gonna do that and then we'll come back. Ready?
Good job, guys.
All right, so that's how you tip your lift back down if a 60-mile-an-hour wind blows it up on end. Good job, Tom. Yay.